In this video, I will show you how to update Wi-Fi driver Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. Now, there's actually two ways to check for and update your Wi-Fi driver in Windows 11. The first way to do this, as you can see, we're here on my Windows 11 desktop. What you're going to want to do is come down to your toolbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and from here, you want to go ahead and open up your settings. If you don't see settings here, choose the search box at the top, type settings, and then open up settings underneath Best Match. Next, what you want to do is come across to this menu on the left-hand side, come down to the bottom, and you're going to see an option for Windows Update. So if you give that a click, what it's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and from here, you want to come down a bit to the advanced options down here, give that a click. Then what you can do is come down to the additional options section just down here and click onto optional updates. Now in here you can expand the driver updates option and you can see if there's any available driver updates for your Wi-Fi. Of course, if there is, then what you can do is take the box, download and install the updates, and once you've done that, make sure to restart your PC to apply the updates. Now another way to check for any available updates is if you, again from your desktop, come down to your toolbar at the bottom, and this time you want to come and click into the search box and type Device Manager, just like so. Then underneath Best Match, go ahead and open up your Device Manager, which is going to look like this. In here, you want to look for network adapters, so you can see that's just here. And next to here, you're going to see a small arrow. So if you click onto this, you're going to get some more options. What you then want to do is find your Wi-Fi adapter, your Wi-Fi drivers, which is this one here for myself. And then what you can do is right click onto this and you're going to get an option come up for update drivers. So if you give this a click, it's going to open up a window like this. What you can then do is click the option to search automatically for drivers, and this is going to look and see if there's any updates available. As you can see in my case, that the best drivers for my device are already installed, but if there's any updates available, of course, it's going to take you through the steps to install and update your Wi-Fi drivers. So that is how to update Wi-Fi driver Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.